Hi guys, this is Jessica. I'm here today to give you a super crash course on how to use Google Jamboard. So Jamboard's a collaborative white space where you can share this white space with your students or other users. And it allows you to, yes, you can type like Post-it notes, graphic organizers, things like that, label things. But I'm curious how you might use it to, say, help students figure out math problems. Because it has a drawing feature where you can, with your finger or a stylus, work out a math problem and have the other users see it happen live. So let me demo that real quick. So I've gone to jamboard.google.com, and on this screen that you see right here, this is going to be the student screen as if they were on their Chromebook, okay? On the teacher version, I'm going to use an iPad, just so we can kind of mix up devices. On the iPad, you would install the Jamboard app, okay? On a Chromebook, you would go to jamboard.google.com, unless it ran Android apps, and then you would have Jamboard installed. It's probably just easier to go to jamboard.google.com for students. So on the teacher device, I have launched the app, and I will click the plus sign in the bottom corner, starting a blank jam, and then I need to tap the three dots in the top right corner and share it with my student. All right, so now I'm just waiting for that to show up. The user does get an email, by the way, that the jam has been shared. So if you Google Jamboard, you're going to get information on their display unit called Jamboard. We're actually looking for the app. The display unit is wonderful, but not covered in this video. We're just talking about the app Jamboard, which is free. All right, so I'm waiting for this to show up. I'm going to filter over here. What would have happened is I would have checked my email and saw that someone shared a jam with me, but I'm already in Jamboard, so I'll click Not Own with Me and kind of filter them out. And here's the jam. So I'm now the student. I've opened up the jam. Now, your teacher, we can't hear each other, although I wonder if you launch this in a Google Meet, that would probably take care of the audio portion. I have not tried that yet. So here I am on the teacher device. I don't know, I'm not gonna work out any math in front of you. So I'll just draw. So there's a smidge of a delay, but not bad at all. So I don't have very good internet either. So I can, if you look over here on the far left, the student then can also add in information, sticky notes, and draw as well. And that can be then moved. So I need to cancel, get out of there. You can move that around so you can organize ideas, have them classify things, or structure in a graphic organizer, something like that. I can add photos, a laser, great. And I can draw. So this is where using the Chromebook is tough. I have used Jamboard on my phone and it works great, right? So whatever the device the students have is what you're going to work with, okay? So it kind of depends. Maybe it's the teacher that's trying to demo a math problem that she or he's assigned for students to work on later. Maybe there's something in the work packet that got sent home that you want to show with students and talk it through in, say, Google Meet. All right, so there you go. It's a crash course on how to use Google Jamboard. By the way, when you're done, you can share your jam, keep it like as a PDF or even as an image. So it's a pretty useful tool in these times where you're trying to work with students collaboratively and remotely. Good luck. Let me know if you have any questions.